Welcome to this guided pranayama breathing meditation. This class will help you to balance your central nervous system and allow you to feel more relaxed. I highly recommend finishing your daily workout with this meditation. Move your way into a comfortable seated position. Bring your non-dominant hand palm open at the solar plexus. With your dominant hand, bring your 3 central fingers in, placing your dominant hand on your open palm to begin. Relax the shoulders and spine straight. As you slowly inhale through the nose, bring your dominant hand up towards the nostrils. When your lungs are full, close your nostrils shut and hold the air in for about 3 seconds. As you slowly exhale, lower your dominant hand. And then just repeat. Imagine that hand is representing the air as it comes in and out of your lungs. As you move into the practice, try to slow down, taking your time to draw the air in, pause, and then slowly exhale and repeat. Closing down your eyes, allow yourself to find your own personal rhythm within this. I will call you back when it's time. Wherever you are, make this your final round. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you feel the wonderful benefits of this type of breathing exercise. I look forward to seeing you in my next class. Wishing you a beautiful day. Namaste.